put lotion in my legs. Yeah, in my legs. Put lotion in my arms.
You know, I never used lotion my whole life.
Yeah.
You always use lotion?
Nah, every time after I shower, I use lotion for it makes my skin soft.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I don't toothbrush now because no more toothpaste. Oh my goodness, Angie.
No more what?
Toothpaste.
Oh, no more toothpaste either?
No more.
When are you gonna go to the? Don't you gotta go to the market?
Yeah, I will go to
Takes
the...
you 3. How long does it take you to get there?
It is, I think, 20 minutes or 30 minutes.
Do you drive?
No, I don't
No.
drive.
You walk?
Just have a tricycle here and then pay the tricycle.
Oh, the bike?
Yeah.
It's a tricycle. It's got 3 wheels though?
Yeah. And have a motorbike as well if you want to ride a motorbike, but you need to pay.
You need to pay what?
Pay the man who drive the motorbike for you to go to the store.
I see.